Hey guys, this is Brandon with BSP Motorsports. For today's Tech Tip Thursday, we're going to be talking about AC system. I know with the heat, with Texas heat, we got a lot of people probably either struggling with ACs, so we want to talk a little bit about it. First things first, your cabin air filter. Cabin air filter is going to be good to change, not only for the pollen and filtering out whatever's outside from inside your car, but also like the HEPA filters, prevent from molds and other issues that you'll have with the AC system. So if you're getting that smells or weird stuff, definitely something you can check out. The other thing about an AC system is there's 5 components to an AC system. You have the compressor, which is what actually is pushing all the Freon throughout the system. The condenser, which is actually going to be what cools that Freon down, which is normally located in the front of the car. You have what's called a receiver dryer or a accumulator, which is going to store the oil for the system, and also has a desiccant packet in there, so that way there's no moisture at all in the AC system. So the orifice tube or the expansion valve, what that's going to do is convert the high pressure into a low pressure before it goes into the dash. The component into the dash is going to be the evaporator, which is actually what, think of a radiator that the blower motor is pushing air through, but it actually gets cool because of the Freon that's running through it. So all 5 of these components have to be working together in order for the system to work as a whole. So if you have a compressor that fails or an orifice tube that fails, that's going to create the whole system to not work properly. So normally a lot of shops are going to recommend when you have a compressor failure, normally we're going to end up replacing everything in the system, just because if any kind of trash or debris goes through the system. Talk about, which is normally something that we hear a lot, is the condensation drippage from the car. Normally that's going to be located kind of in the engine bay area, more to the passenger side. That's totally normal. The evaporator that's in there is going to develop a lot of condensation from the cold air and hot air passing through it. So if you see that you have water dripping, that actually means that everything's kind of working properly there. So there's no issues. Here at BSP Motorsports, we both service the R134A, which is kind of getting into now the older stuff compared to the 123Y. If you have any questions, feel free to call us or email us at contact@BSP Motorsports. We'll be happy to help you. Thank you.